Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Now, first this evening, scores of Jamaicans remain without electricity following yesterday's heavy winds.
The Jamaica Public Service says the current weather conditions are preventing its teams from restoring supply to the affected communities.
Now, as Ramada Lyons now reports, the funeral home in St. Catherine was among businesses affected and several post-mortems had to be postponed.
It's almost as though they were left to work below ground, in complete darkness and totally disconnected. That was the situation at Archer's funeral home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, following an extreme wind event on Wednesday.
The line destroyed by the breeze, a tree blow down and it's like part of the tree where the wire run, destroy the wire. And the wire has been in the road all last night. Residents had to block off part of the road so no one would get hurt by the live current wire in the road.
When our correspondent visited the area, the wire was hanging on a gate during a light drizzle. Mr. Archer says the Jamaica Public Service JPS was called multiple times Thursday morning to no avail.
They sent out a team this morning only to remove the wire from the road and said they don't know when they can come back to restore back proper current. As a result of that, here at Archer Funeral Home, we have to actually lock off part of our facility.
Business, Mr. Archer said, was gravely affected.
We have post-mortem today. 6 bodies come from Manchester. Persons lost their loved one, dying for today's date to have the post-mortem done. As a result, we have to be sending back these bodies to Mandeville now because there is no current from JPS. I pay a light bill of over $1 million per month and don't who are sent and still cannot get the supply from JPS.
TVJ News understands that electricity was restored late Thursday afternoon. One woman, who was awaiting her deceased brother's results, described the situation as appalling.
We've been waiting, we're tired, we're frustrated, everything in our one. Now we come to the last moment where we can go do a funeral, get over with sorrows and try to go home, go heal. JPS has stood way up. We can't go home left in body.
A business operator also lamented the delay in restoring electricity.
At emergency. I from yesterday night it happened and them should have happened, them should have worked on here through the night. Because as dear emergency, it not even affect me like they did my father because I did them store.
On Wednesday, JPS said St. Catherine was among the parishes most hard hit by the outage. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.